How to fix CapCut template not showing in TikTok problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Go to Play Store and then search for TikTok. After that, make sure you have the latest version of TikTok application. If there is an update button instead of the open button, simply tap on it and get the latest version of TikTok. Next option or the next step is tap and hold the TikTok app. Go to App Info, go to its storage section and then tap on Clear Cache. And your problem should be fixed. Make sure you have installed CapCut application in your device. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.